Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs for beginners. Crack 2 to 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and a splash of milk or cream, then whisk until combined and slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan over low to medium heat and add butter or oil. Pour the eggs in and stir gently with a spatula, forming soft curds until eggs are just set. Start stirring the eggs when they first begin to set, using gentle movements to fold curds toward the center of the pan. Keep the heat low so the eggs cook slowly and stay tender rather than rubbery. If you want creamier eggs, add a teaspoon of butter or a tablespoon of cream when you pull the pan off the heat. Serve immediately on warmed plates to preserve the soft texture and fresh flavor. Experiment with simple additions to personalize your scrambled eggs without overwhelming them. Fresh herbs provide bright contrast, while grated cheese adds richness and a silky mouthfeel when folded in at the end. Fold in pre-cooked vegetables or diced ham warmed through to avoid cooling the eggs. Keep sauces light and avoid heavy creams if you prefer a cleaner egg flavor. Taste and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.